Take chicken nugget. Is it tasty? Would you like some ketchup on it? Give it to me, I'll put ketchup on it. Aquí está. I put ketchup on it. Oh, thank you. Want ketchup on the cup? Okay. You like to drink the ketchup? Here's the ketchup for the chicken.